Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and feel at home. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. Today we will be making a growth oil, especially for your edges, if your edges are thinning, and generally if your hair is thinning. So you'll need a squeeze bottle. I've gone ahead on this squeeze bottle and I have sealed it with a plumber's tape to help with the leakage. We'll use castor oil, vitamin E fenugreek oil, which you can make by yourself, as I did using these fenugreek seeds that are very available. I put mine with olive oil. Next is jojoba oil, blackseed oil, lavender oil, eucalyptus, which you can use interchangeably with peppermint oil. We have tea tree oil, we have rosemary. You can use whatever you have. You don't have to use all these. You can also read on the qualities of all these oils before you use them. And I have done my research, in which I found that all these oils help in hair growth by stimulating the blood flow on your scalp, which will help, enhance the follicles to grow hair. I am using the store-bought fenugreek oil, and I'm also going to use my own made fenugreek oil because mine has olive oil. The store-bought fenugreek oil is pure, not mixed with anything. So I'm going to mix all the other oils in as I feel preferable to me, by what I feel like I need. Guys, you should get this blackseed oil. The things I read about blackseed oil, you shouldn't be missing out on this blackseed oil. So yeah, I'm just adding in bit by bit. I'm not going to use all the oils, especially the peppermint and the tea tree oil, because I feel like eucalyptus does a very good job. They have similar qualities, so you don't need to be adding oils in that have similar qualities or do the same job. So pick one of them. I was only showing you what I have. I saved my personal best for last, guys. This vitamin E oil is marvelous. I once had a client of a more mature age, and her hair was mostly white. She's the one who put me onto this. She told me since she had started using vitamin E oil on her hair, her white hair was starting to grow black, and it's something I saw with my own eyes on her hair. And I can also tell you that since I started using it, some of my white stress hairs have turned black as they are growing. And maybe it's because I'm distressing now, or maybe it's the vitamin E oil, but you better learn for yourself. For extra security against leakage, I'm going to use this cling wrap to secure that brim more, so that I'm not losing any oils or it's not leaking and making a mess. So I'm doing that, and your oil is now ready to use. Give it a powerful shake to mix all those oils up, and it's ready to use. I'm coming to you clean and clear and naked before you, showing you my thinning edges so you can see and track this process with me. I'm going in generously with this oil, and it's earlier on during the day, so I know by the time I'm going to bed it will have really absorbed into my scalp and have done the work, so that even if I'm sleeping or tying something on my head, it's not sucking in all the oils and the good work. So I'll advise that you do this earlier on during the day, so that you're not losing a lot of oil in the end. As you can see, my hair is really thinning, especially a little bit on top of my temple, and that's where my hair thins a lot. I plan on using this growth oil at least 2 to 3 times a week. in between that there's something else, other things that I will be using. So I'd just say, you know, turn your notifications on, subscribe, so that you will see what else I am going to be doing in between to help with this hair growth. That's all today from me to you, my friends. Trust the process. Trust the process. So for those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I know I keep saying that, but it helps my channel. Subscribe and turn on your notifications bell. Let's meet again next time. I'm doing something else amazing, so you better be tuned in. So thanks again, and bye.